Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we will be fixing a common problem with most cars, and that is turning on traction control light on the dashboard. This will indicate that the sensor is damaged, dirt blocking from reading, or the wire damaged somewhere. Most of the times you will have traction control warning light after a heavy rain or driving in mud. So I'm gonna remove the wheel to show you the sensor location exactly. So I'm gonna loosen the lug nuts while the wheel on the ground. Next, let's jack up the front from the subframe and put it on a jack stand so we can safely and easily walk under the car. When you put the jack stand, make sure to put it under a strong part of the chassis, like here but not here. You can feel it's solid here, and here is for the other side as well. Alright, after removing the wheel and putting under the car for extra safety, we're gonna steer the wheel to the opposite position so we can reach the sensor easily, and here is the traction sensor. It's bolted on with a single 10mm bolt, so we're gonna need a ratchet, extender, and 10mm socket. Let's loosen the bolt, and I always like to deattach the ratchet and use the extender only for faster undoing any bolt. Alright, the bolt is out and the sensor is free. Now we can pull it out. The sensor is covered with mud and rust, that's why it couldn't read the rotation of the wheel and gave us this warning light. I also checked the wire of the sensor and it's all good and in good condition. Now we have to clean this and it should be good to go. I also checked the sensor hole as well and it's clean. We don't need to do anything about it. So now it's time to clean this sensor. You can clean it with any type of cleaner. I used brake cleaner and wipe it, but it wasn't that good. It cleaned the sensor side, but I wasn't satisfied about it. So I used a simple green, sprayed a few times on it and then used a wire brush. And then you can wipe it off, or I used brake cleaner again and it was like new. Now we can put it back. Alright, the sensor is on again. Now we're gonna put the bolt back and tighten it up. Now we're gonna go to the opposite side. The procedure will be the same. You're just gonna have to take the bolt and then pull the sensor and inspect the wire and the sensor. In my case, it's just the sensor covered with mud and debris. We're just gonna clean it and put it back. You guys saw at the beginning of the video, I didn't use any type of scanner so I can know which sensor is bad or dirty. I wanted to keep it simple by removing the sensor, inspect them visually and clean them and put them back. Alright, we are done here. Let's put the wheels on. Next, I will bring the jack in the middle of the subframe and jack up the car again. Removing the jack stands under the car, now we can lower it on the ground. Let's not forget to torque the lug nuts. Alright, there are 4 sensors to read the traction of the wheels. 2 at the front and 2 at the back. We just cleaned the front and now we're gonna go to the back. And here is the location of the rear sensor. It has one 10mm bolt just like the front, so we're just gonna do the same procedure like we did with the front wheels. You don't need to spend extra money just to know which sensor is bad exactly. If you have same situation as mine, driving in a mud or rain, you just have to clean all the sensor and it will be good to go. Alright, here is the last one. We're gonna clean it just like the other and we're gonna put it back. Now we're gonna start the engine. You may have traction warning light still on, but after driving for a while, it will turn it off. The computer will need some time to adjust itself and do the calculation again. So avoid disconnecting battery terminals so you know that it was the dirt causing that problem. So hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.